August ni sari sang ni somni paruk ani CBI Central Bureau of Investigation 10 NEET question paper a leak out dan tunai hian ron chhuichhuak to ani he question paper leak awang hian in India ram pumpui deuh thowa Cockroach Janata Party te khan in protest ten hoi hota Mizoram apo peaceful demonstration te kan neya he thilawang hian in an education minister Dharmendra Pradhan te po kha aban pha hial ani kha tunai hian in CBI te hian in engtiang takin nge hetiang question paper poimo lutuk mitam tak innuna an chan pha na le mitam tak career ril tu tur hi engtin nge alo leak out thei di CBI ten an chui chuak to ani he thilai kan ron ri kanga kan ron soi zawanga chumi ma chuanin kum upalam jok te rishiat lam har sadna nei te tong lam har sadna nei te tan chanchin tha o
Covert hua pa bengdar hearing aid branch ber om na hilom ya shat le to em Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic Hmar traffic point bulmai om kan ni a hela hian bengdar imamotu sang sang kan kola invisible lang theilau rechargeable le waterproof te kan neya bengdar hi ilei ma in hearing aid trial avwa chin na hin nei thei vekani bengdar vwa shom le min lo wanga mamo si vwa du lo te an om lo na he hearing aid trial hi kal puyani bengdar lui emo cheto eng company po exchange kan ti thei renge tin kung upalam tan clinic pan har samai theya appointment kal tlangin inom na muna kan pan thei bok chewani Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic hi amongo te ta kan om ringa milo pan ve cheu donya
le ino pan ve cheu don yo le in reaction don ni la CBI ten an chui chuak to ani kan reaction ang let's go the NEET UG question paper leak took place in April 2026 April 2026 May ni thuman exam ta tro May ni thuman exam ta an exam ma tha April sang hi som hi parukhan hemi question paper hi alo leak outdate to ani when 3 NTA contracted subject experts allegedly extracted questions during the confidential translation back translation and proofreading process according to the CBI charge sheet poimo khop mai NTA lampang hianin mi pathum subject expert pathum contract angin an ruaya chung subject expert an roya te chuan khatianga question paper an endik lai khan a question ate kha adikem a answer ate le question te in milem a option ate hianin in anga omem zirlai te ti confused thei tu tur answer inang te kan lo da palem khatianga uluk taka question paper an zir chian lai khan question paper a question 10 kha thau kha khang expert subject expert te ho khanin an lo la chuak ta ani khata tang khanin heng question te hi aron leak out ta ani me ni thuma an exam April sang hi somni pania sang hi somni paruka subject expert and proofreading anti line aron leak out ta ani engtin tak nge unlike a leak involving printed test booklets being taken out of a printing press the questions were extracted during the preparatory stages and then passed on through handwritten notes oral dictation and photographs the investigation found ntiani an chui chuana atanga an thil mu chu he a interesting khop mai paper leak than khatte chu booklet angten an print thin ni omani printing press aten print na khat tang khanin an la chuak thin ni omani amaro chu hemi hi chu khatiang kha ani velawani question and set light question proofreading an nei lighten khatianga question and set like khanin iziakin an lo la chhong kha ani tizonin attend page chu khatiang khanin question and set lie emo proofreading an nei lai te khan subject expert te khanin e question na khati khanin an soya chu midang dei te nan lo zia kha a khatianga midang dei te nan lo zia thla ka khati khan thla te an la chhong le ta a khatiang khanin an thedar tawak mai ani kha apahni na ni le adole kan kal leang questions dictated at special revision sessions poimo khom me heti le hi CBI na soidan chuan chemistry subject expert kulkarni le biology expert mandhare ti peju Maharashtra ming ani marathi ming biology expert le chemistry expert te hianin anmani thu in NTA phalna po ni lawin anmani ina khami question paper endikle natur special revision session an tiamo hatia kha anlo nei veringot mai ani pune ya anmani ina ani April kha khan hetianga special revision session anmani thuwa NTA atanga phalna po lawa anlo nei veringot lai hian question paper an set ate kha midang hriat thei turin a candidate en NEET UG exam tur te ne na han ti khanin online in yang te khanin an han soita an han soi chuak ta zirlai te khanin question paper kha an lo ziek question kha an lo ziek khazela a chana te po te khanin an lo ziek khave zela ni hey during these sessions they dictated exact question NEET UG exam aron chuak tur ang chi chi kha hetiang special revision session an mani ina pune an mani ina an thuan lo conduct ver got lai hianin an soi chuak ta ani NEET UG exam ma chon tur te candidate then khat te na khan mo ti chuanin an han ziak thata a khatiang khan next ang kal leang the physics questions follow the separate route tuna kan soi khachu chemistry le biology a question paper question a leak out da no chemistry le biology question a leak out da kan soi zo chia pune ya chemistry le biology subject expert hian special revision session an mani thunan lo conduct veringot heti lai hianin question ang chi chi kha final question a ron chok chi chi kha candidate then han lo soi chok ani ti chuan physics zo na te ero hi chuanin kongdang a zo a according to the investigation Havaldar dictated questions to coaching faculty in Pune Tejas Harshat Kumar Shah who wrote them down by hand. The handwritten material was subsequently photographed allowing the questions to be circulated further. Physics question ero hi chu a leak out dan hi chu coaching center pakhata an faculty ne na khan physics subject expert hian coaching center ra faculty pakhat ne na khanin allow dictate chu coaching faculty ya coaching center pakhata an faculty khanin allow ziak tha veka khatianga azia thak veka kha tha ala a khami thala kha adar le ta ani kha biology chemistry physics question adar dan CBI ten ti han chui chuak to ani omje bera chonin national testing agency hianin NEET UG te NEET PG te GPET gate exam ti rang hi a conduct na sa mai ani NEET UG ya subject expert aroi mi pathum te heng mi te hianin heng question paper hi an lo ti leak out ani an mani NTM mi te po hi anin rol mai thei lo mai thei kha ero khachuna kina ala shria tanga candidates taken to hospital to memorize questions abahan rilem nge omzia candidate then khatte hi damdo ina zo na an by heart theina turin shwayan nge omzia kulkarni en mandare hi chemistry le biology subject expert te khatro allegedly worked with Latur based pediatrician Dr. Manish okay Latur a pediatrician no panglam doctor pakhaten en hianin biology le chemistry subject expert te kha an lo thok du la ni ome ti chuan he pediatrician bula hian candidate then khat te hi Siddhi Vinayak Hospital Latura khanin va shroyan ni ta ani he pediatrician omna hamo chuanin candidates allegedly memorized the leak question bank before NEET UG exam ani ma khanin candidate then khatte khan khami question paper hemi subject biology le chemistry subject expert an lo ti leak out kha candidate then khatte khanin an lo va by heart ti na ani he dam do ina hian chuan CBI recovered 5 lakh in cash from a family member of Dr. Shirure hemi Latura Siddhi Vinayak Hospital la an pediatrician Dr. Manoj chung te atang hianin cheng nuai nga apoi safaya cashin CBI te hianin an man tabok ani avahan vai film drama rem em subject expert chemistry le biology expert te hian Latura Siddhi Vinayak Hospital an pediatrician Dr. Manoj hi question paper te pokha an va share ve te poni thei ti chuanin candidate then khatte kha khamidam doina khanin an vakala chuanin question paper a question te khan va by heart ani han drama ti chuanin leak travels from Maharashtra to Rajasthan leak NEET questions allegedly moved beyond Maharashtra to intermediaries mi ti sang kal tang khanin Maharashtra atangin tiang khanin under kwalta a chuan Shubham Kaina reportedly sent PDF question sets to Yash Yadav via Telegram through the pon PDF question te pelo leak out chuanin Yadav allegedly forwarded PDFs to Jaipur's Mangilal Biwal for 10 to okay Yadav hianin Jaipura Mangilal Biwal he coaching center ani kharinga hemia hianin PDF hi cheng noi so matanga cheng noi so pani velin avashal tina ani Tichuan Biwal reportedly printed and distributed the leak papers to candidates and tutors Tichuanin Jaipur's Mangilal Biwal hi coaching center nge mi malming ka halaw amaro chu he mi Mangilal Biwal a hianin khami PDF kha aprina ti chuan candidate then khatte hne na le khang NEET UG zirtir tu te then khatte hne na khanin PDF kha ati aprint to nu kha an sem chuak le ta ani CBI traced the leak from NTS confidential process to Telegram networks across states Telegram a hen lo leak out teu ti na ani CBI na achui na changan mu choi mo ti han NTA confidential process changin public Telegram galtang hen ti hen lo leak out ani handwritten notes match May 3 NEET paper hey apoi mo le ta ani CFSL forensic analysis match notebook questions with May 3rd NEET UG paper chonin GEQD handwriting examination also confirmed the matches investigators recovered digital payment okay poisa an lawin thon na ang chi te po hi CBI lampang hian in an huchuak le vek ani cash was also seized during CBI na hetianga mi beipui thang na po hianin poisa fai tam tak hi ting hianin amman an nei bok ani forensic financial and handwritten evidence help establish the alleged leak chain forensic evidence financial evidence poisa in thon ko la atang tele handwriting inang lo atang te khan hetiang hianin CBI hianin an chhuichhuak ta ani hei hi NEET UG 2026 question paper leak out a leak out dana ni NTA National Testing Agency hianin subject expert pathum arwaya contract in arwaya biology chemistry le physics heng expert pathum te hianin question paper den an lo ti leak out ani NTA official te anin nge lawang chu ka shelawa kha ani CBI te na an chui chwa CJP Cockroach Janta Party te pona India ram puma protest san nei na mo Mizoram te po protest san nei kha tu na chuanin aron chiang Taviau mayani NTA lampang hianin subject expert an roi tura te po hi heng te po hi an thang uluk to viawin ka ringa ti chuanin tuna paper ti leak out tu te hi BJP sarkar chuanin na takin an chunga hianin action an lak ngei ka ringa a chan chu hemi te awang hian tikhanin zirlai te khanan protest an mani sarkar te po tikhanin mol phomi lo tur te po kha aina sale zol te po khanin an mol pho te po ti la kan soi sol thuilu tuk lawanga an Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan te po an chan pha hiala heng NTA official chen khata wang hian mo kha nia thil om zia chu kha ni pot te se achiang thokhat viewin ka hretro video la kanin mole theu do de